In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact or hide text in PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever needed to securely share or archive documents while ensuring sensitive information is confidential, this guide will be invaluable. Redacting text in a PDF effectively hides the information you don't want to disclose, and it's quite simple to do with Adobe Acrobat Pro. To start, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. This powerful software provides comprehensive tools for managing and editing PDF files. Once the application is open, navigate to the PDF document you want to edit, and let's dive into the redaction process. Next, we need to access the redaction tools. Acrobat Pro offers a dedicated set of features specifically for this purpose. To find these, look toward the top of the window and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Redact. This will open the redaction toolbar, where you'll find everything necessary for concealing the text or images you wish to hide. The third step is to select the specific text or areas in your PDF that you want to redact. On the redaction toolbar, click Mark for Redaction. This useful tool allows you to highlight any word, sentence, paragraph, or even an entire section of your document. For text, simply click and drag your cursor across the content you want to obscure. When it comes to images or other non-text elements, click and draw a box around these areas to mark them for redaction. It's important to note that at this stage, you'll only see a preview, usually in the form of black or colored markings over your selected areas. These markings indicate your selections, but remember, the information isn't permanently hidden yet. Finally, let's apply these redactions. Look closely at your document and make sure that everything you want to conceal is accurately marked. Once you're certain, go ahead and click Apply Redactions on the redaction toolbar. Acrobat will prompt you with a confirmation dialog, reassuring you that applying these redactions is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're ready, simply click OK to proceed. With that confirmation, Acrobat permanently redacts the selected text or images. The information will be obscured and is no longer retrievable, ensuring your document is clean and secure for sharing or storing. Remember to save your edited PDF to preserve these changes. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to effectively redact or hide text in PDFs using Acrobat Pro. This essential skill helps protect sensitive data in a digital world where privacy is paramount. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing!